New 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE, brutal 789 HP plug-in hybrid super SUV. The raging bull is back, louder, sharper, and now electrified. Meet the brand new 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE, the super SUV that doesn't just break boundaries, it obliterates them. Lamborghini just revealed what might be the most extreme evolution of the Urus yet. A plug-in hybrid with more power, more technology, and yes, that's signature Lambo rage. But is the new SE just a facelift, or is it a true revolution in the super SUV game? Today, we break it down, from engine to aerodynamics and everything in between. Design. From the outside, the 2025 Urus SE is leaner, meaner, and unmistakably Lamborghini. The front end is sharper with redesigned headlights inspired by the Rivuelto, and the Y-shaped DRLs are a bold nod to Lamborghini's new design language. Around the back, a new light bar stretches the full width of the car, giving it a futuristic vibe while still screaming aggression. Aerodynamics have also been refined, with a new rear diffuser and active aero that adjusts based on your drive mode. And those wheels? Massive 23-inch alloys wrapped in performance Pirellis. Optional carbon ceramic brakes peek through. Just to remind you, this isn't your average family SUV. Powertrain. Now let's talk power. This is Lamborghini's first plug-in hybrid Urus, and it's packing heat. Under the hood, the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 is now paired with an electric motor. Total system output? A face-melting 789 horsepower and over 700 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60? Just 3.4 seconds. Top speed? 194 miles per hour, making it the fastest Urus ever. And yes, it's a plug-in. With a 25.9 kilowatt-hour battery, it offers up to 37 miles, 60 kilometers, of pure electric range. Perfect for sneaking out of the neighborhood before you wake up the whole block. Tech and interior. Inside, the cockpit's been reimagined. You get a larger central touchscreen, a redesigned digital gauge cluster, and upgraded software with real-time performance telemetry. The drive selector now has multiple hybrid modes, including EV-only, recharge, performance, and Corsa for full-on lunacy. Materials are next level, from forged carbon fiber to Alcantara and new sustainable leather options. This isn't just a performance SUV, it's a Lamborghini lounge on wheels. Handling and dynamics. Despite the added hybrid weight, the SE is actually more agile than the outgoing Urus S. Lamborghini has reworked the chassis with an updated torque vectoring system, rear-wheel steering, and active roll stabilization. And yes, it still handles off-road. There are multiple drive modes including Sabia, Terra, and Neve for sand, dirt, and snow. But let's be real, you're not buying this thing for trail riding. Urus SE versus competition. So how does it stack up? Let's compare. Urus SE, 789 horsepower, 3.4S to 60, hybrid, $250,000 plus. The Aston Martin DBX 707, 697 horsepower, 3.1S to 60, no hybrid. Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid, 729 horsepower, PHEV, 3.5S. Ferrari Purosangue, 715 horsepower, V12, no hybrid. The Urus SE edges out in raw power and tech, and being a Lamborghini, it arguably delivers the most drama. Practicality. It's not just a track monster. With real seating for 5, a spacious trunk, and a suite of driver assists, the Urus SE is somewhat practical. You've got wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, a Bowers and Wilkins sound system, and even over-the-air updates. This beast has brains too. Price and availability. Pricing starts around $260,000, depending on spec. Deliveries begin late 2025, and orders are already stacking up worldwide. If you want one, get in line now. So what do we think? The 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE is more than a hybrid. It's the future of high-performance SUVs. It's brutally fast, wildly engineered, and unmistakably Lambo. It doesn't whisper sustainability, It screams it, with a twin-turbo V8 backing it up. If this is the future of Lamborghini, sign us up. Because the Urus SE doesn't compromise, it conquers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Urus SE, smash that like button, subscribe for more supercar content, and let us know in the comments. Would you take the Urus SE over a Ferrari Purosangue or a DBX 707? Until next time, stay fast.